My name is Vihar. I am studying in LKG. My school name is St. Philomena High School, Chandapura. Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Austria, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brazil, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Brasilia, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Beijing, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Carthage, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Jodhpur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Banaji, Gujarat, Sandinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Madhya Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Nainital, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Mudalpur, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata. Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tambrabarni, Vaigai, Yamuna. National symbols: Father of Mahatma Gandhi ji,
National anthem,
Jana Gana Mana,
national song,
Vande Mataram,
national emblem,
Lion Capital,
national flag,
three-color flag,
national flower,
lotus,
national animal,
tiger,
national sea animal,
dolphin,
national bird,
peacock,
national fruit,
mango,
national vegetable,
pumpkin,
national language,
Hindi,
national calendar,
Saka calendar,
national book,
Bhagavad Gita,
national game,
orchid,
national tree,
banyan tree,
national river,
Ganga.
planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Four Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Neighbor countries of India.
Neighbor countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighbor state of Karnataka.
Neighbor state of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
5 oceans.
5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka: Kuvempu, Tara Bendre, Shivaram Karanth, Basti Vetteswayangar, V.K. Gokak, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance from India.
Classical dance from India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odissi, Odisha; Satariya, Assam; मटकी डांस मध्य प्रदेश, दांडिया गुजरात, यक्षगान कर्नाटक.
National
National
festivals.
festivals January 26 Republic Day, August 15th Independence Day, September 5th Teachers Day, October 2nd Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th Children's Day.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Gonteshwari in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Kona Sun Temple in Odisha, Nalanda Estate in Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Godwarthar Temple in Punjab. 7 wonders of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarat Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka: Chaggalraya Reddy, Kannamutaya, Kadidala Manjappa, S. Nijalingappa, B.D. Jetti, S.R. Kanchi, Virendra Patel, D. Devaraja Arasa, R. Gundurao, Ramakrishna Heggade, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, M. Villapamoli, D. Devaraja Arasa, H.D. Devegowda, J.H. Patel, S.M. Krishna, Dharam Singh, B.V. Sadananta Gowda, Jagdish Shettar, Siddaramaiah, H.D. Kumaraswamy, B.S. Yediyurappa, Basavaraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah.
President of India.
President of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Jackie Yusuf, B.V. Giri, B.D. Jetti, S.R. Kanchi, Ryoshiju Reddy, Shakal Jaya Sharma, Ramaswamy Venkatramana, K.R. Narayan, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Bharati, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Siddhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Ramanatnagar, Chikballapur, Chitradurga, Dakkin Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttarakhand, Vijaypur, Yadgiri.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Mishma Rutu, Vaishya Rutu, Sharida Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shashira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bharapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Magashira, Pushya, Magha, Angula.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraja, Vishnuvardhana, Mauryavarma, Amoghavasha, Marakari Nayaka, Kitturani Chennamma, Akka Bukka, Jayachamaraja Odaya, Keppegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom ಫೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ದುರ್ಗಾಬಾಯಿ ದೇಶ್ಮುಖ್, ಅರುಣ ಸಫಾಲಿ, ಸುಚಿತ್ರಾ ತ್ರಿಪಾಠಿ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಕೆಳದಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ, ವಿಜಯ ಬಿಫನ್ವಿಸ್, ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಡು, ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ. Religions of India, Hinduism, Islam, Secularism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi. 10 Mukhyopanishad, Ishavasyopanishad, Chenopanishad, Kathopanishad, Krishnopanishad, Mandukyopanishad, Aitharyopanishad, Chandukyopanishad, Brihadaranyaka. 18 Puranas, Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Padma Purana, Garuda Purana, Vamana Purana, Agni Purana, Vamana Purana, Skanda Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahmanatha Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Narada Purana, Brihadaranyaka Purana, Padma Purana.
Most popular international airport.
Most popular international airport, Indira Gandhi Airport in New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bangalore.
9 union territories.
9 union territories, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveri, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world. Great of Chennai, Machu Picchu, Tarmarindal, Desta, Colosseum, Gesta Jordan, Chichen Itza.
Indian dynasty.
Indian dynastics, Chalukya dynastics, Chola dynastics, Vaisala dynastics, Maurya dynastics, Pallava dynastics, Gupta dynastics, Rajputa dynastics, Mughal dynastics, Vijayanagar dynastics, Vardhana dynastics.
5 sense organs.
Why and then order, eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujam, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghana Saha, Yami Visvesvaraya, Satyanath Bose, Subramanian Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anu Golkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to freedom of religious, social and educational right, right to constitutional abilities. Genders: masculine, female, male, female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandmother,
son,
son,
madam,
daughter. Daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
auntie,
gentleman,
lady,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
sir,
madam,
bull,
cow,
cock,
hen,
dog,
peach,
lion,
lioness,
tiger.
tigress.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು:
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು: ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ,
ಗಂಡು,
ಹೆಣ್ಣು,
ಹುಡುಗ,
ಹುಡುಗಿ,
ಅಣ್ಣ,
ಅಕ್ಕ,
ತಂದೆ,
ತಾಯಿ,
ಅಜ್ಜ,
ಅಜ್ಜಿ,
ಮಗ,
ಮಗಳು,
ಅಪ್ಪ,
ಅವ್ವ,
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ,
ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ,
ರಹಸ್ಯ,
ಸಹೇಳಿ,
ಗಂಡ,
ಹೆಂಡತಿ,
ಪುರುಷ.